How to log out of eBay app. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So today, let's get started. So first of all, launch the eBay application on your device over here. Make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. Now make sure that you're logged into your account on your eBay application as well. All you have to do is just tap on the My eBay option over here at the bottom of the screen among different options. So tap on My eBay, and as you do that, you land into your profile. Now just scroll down and under the account category, you can see the option of settings. So tap on settings. As you tap on settings under the account category, you can see the option of sign out. So tap on sign out, and as you do that, you'll be able to see that you have signed out or logged out of eBay app on your device. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.